This is Mr. Silverman with some tips on using Excel. You notice that the headings over here are multi-level headings, meaning that they are more than one line in the same cell. Here's how to do that. I'm going to click in the cell over here and say I wanted to write caffeine for sample. So I type the first word, caffeine, and then hit the alternate and enter key at the same time. It goes to the next line. Type the next words, then hit the alternate and enter key again, the word sample, and then just hit the enter key, and that's how you get those headings in there. Now, I don't need those headings. Next thing is calculations. This is a calculated value. I click in that cell, and then I hit the equal sign to say it's a calculation. And caffeine per ounce is equal to caffeine, so I click in that cell, hit the slash for divide by this, click in that cell, and then hit enter. The next trick is if I wanted to copy this, I click in that cell. Notice that little dot at the bottom. If I mouse over it, it changes from a big plus to a small plus. Click and drag, copies all the cells for us. Now, if I want to make that format a little prettier, I could go to Format, Cells, Number, 2 decimal points, OK. Click off to the side. If I wanted to put borders, click and drag, Format, Cells, Number, Border. Click Inside, Outside, and there you go. If I wanted to do a graph to find out who had the most caffeine per ounce, again, select everything, click the chart wizard. I'm going to use column, next. Now it's graphing a lot of things for me, so I'm going to look at the series. I do not need caffeine or the number of ounces. I do want caffeine per ounce. So I'm going to remove the others, go to next, and in the x-axis you can put the name of the food, and the y-axis is caffeine per ounce. Hit the next button. It'll give us a chart here. I can make the chart a little bit bigger. And notice I may want to change this axis to show everything. I would right-click Format Axis, make the font a little bit smaller, and then notice a lot of these show up now. So that's a quick way to get your graph done, and I hope you've enjoyed this.